Stamkos and Marchand having a pleasant chat as they skate along the blue line. Eriksson, the Stamkos just dropped. Marchand and Stamkos are gonna go. Stamkos with the takedown.
1-1 you score, Bruins Lightning in a very physical and playoff type atmosphere again here this evening. It starts with the Marchand hit on Filppula. Filppula came back and got Marchand, but then Stamkos, probably because of a few things that have happened already here in this first period, if you want to go all the way back to the Johnson-Marchand exchange where they both end up in the penalty box, they might have thought Marchand ducked under that one. That could be a dangerous play.